Good evening, folks. We're live at 10:34 p.m. battling for Jason's nice-looking Vader figure there. 20 spots that I'm going to copy and take over to random to find our winner. Going to paste them in there. There they are, 1 through 20. Going to roll the dice. Got to get at least a 5. We got a 5. So we are good to go. Good luck, everybody. I'm going to get right into it. Kenneth takes round 1. Dieter round 2. Kenneth round 3. Mr. Penland in the top spot for our next to last round, which means our winner is Scott Singer in at number 11. Congratulations, Scott. KRB PPU is our verification code. Scott at number 11 is the champ of this battle. I'm done at 10, just as the clock turns to 10:35. As you can see there. Again, here's the official results. Scott in at number 11. Congratulations. We'll see you next time. Thanks, guys.